consider myself with a visual learner. I learn best when I seeing information visual that presented through image or diagram, videos, or written notes. And when I seeing the information or material through visual, I can understand that topic more easily.
I consider myself as a visual learner because I understand information or materials more easily. For example, like when I see it from a picture, videos, and so on. And then visual materials help me understand the concept better and make learning more interesting.
I think I'm more the auditory because I like the listening to explanations, but I can still learn well by reading books or the watching videos.
Yes, I have used my preferred learning style many times when I studying. I often create colorful notes like mind mappings, diagram like that help me to understand and now what I learn from like use highlight letter. And I also watching educational videos because they combine visual and explanation, and that helped me to understand difficult topics and remember them, the material or information during test and assignment.
Yes, I have. When studying, I often use colorful notes, mind mapping. This method help me organize the information more clearly and better understanding. As a result, I understand the material more effectively.
Yes, listening to the podcast or the explanations help me feel the comfortable. But it's not the only way I can understand the topic.
Yes, I think learning style can influence academic performance because students often learn more effectively when they studies use their method preference or use method or learning style that suit them.
Yes, I think a learning style can influence academic performance because students can learn more effectively when they use method that match their preferences.
Not really. And just the preference getting good grades depends more on how the much will the practice and the study, not just how they listen.
As you have just seen, those were some interview clips about learning styles. Most of the participants believe that learning style influence the way they study and learn. But what about us? Do learning style really have an impact on learning? Of course they do. I believe learning style are a fact because everyone has different preference when learning. Well, I disagree. I think learning style are more of a myth, and I still think they are a fact. And I still believe they are a myth. Instead of debating, why don't we discuss the topic together? Hello everyone! Welcome to The Perspective Room! We are your hosts for today's podcast. My name is Alena Fididaka and I am Riang Naurawiza. Today we are excited to discuss an interesting topic entitled Learning by Style, Myth or Fact? Before discussing whether learning styles are a myth or a fact, let's first understand what learning styles are. Learning style refers to the different ways people prefer to learn and process information. They three most common learning styles. They are visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. Visual learners prefer learning through pictures, diagrams, videos, or other visual materials. Auditory learners, on the other hand, learn by listening, such as through discussion or lectures. Meanwhile, kinesthetic learners prefer hands-on activities and learn best through practice and direct experience. What about you, Ria? Which learning style do you think suits you the most? Personally, I think I'm more of a kinesthetic learner because I understand things better when I practice or do activities directly. And how about you, Alan?
Honestly, I'm not really sure. I think I use different methods depending on the subjects or situations.
Okay, that's interesting because not everyone identifies themselves with only one learning style.
Learning styles are popular because the concept is simple and easy to understand. Many people believe that everyone has their own unique way of learning.
Oh, in addition, many students feel that they learn more effectively when information is presented in a way they prepare.
Because of this belief, many teachers and schools have tried to adapt these methods to match student learning styles.
Social media, website, and online quizzes have also contributed to the popularity of learning style. Many people enjoy identify themselves as visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learners.
However, being popular doesn't necessarily mean that a concept is scientifically proven. Although learning styles are widely accepted, many researchers have found little evidence that matching teaching methods to learning styles improve learning outcomes.
For example, this is to support the idea that students learn better when instruction match their preferred learning style.
Similarly, research also suggested that there is not enough evidence to prove that learning styles significantly improve academic performance.
Instead, researchers argue that effective learning depends more on the language strategies used, student motivation, and the type of material being studied.
In other words, students may benefit more from using various learning methods rather than relying on only one learning style.
So, what can we conclude from today's discussion?
Learning style can influence how comfortable and engaged students feel during the learning process.
However, learning style should not be used as the only guide for learning. Different subjects may require different learning methods.
For example, subjects such as physical education may require more hands-on practice, while language learning, especially speaking, often requires listening, interaction, and regular practice.
Similarly, subjects like mathematics or science may benefit from the use of diagram, illustration, and problem-solving activities.
Therefore, instead of relying on only one learning style, students should be flexible and use a variety of learning strategies depending on the subjects and learning goals.
In the end, there is no single best way to learn. The most important thing is finding the method that works best for you in different situations.
Thank you for listening to The Perspective Room. We hope this discussion has given you a new perspective on learning styles.
See you in our next episode.